Flavors of Spain. Today, seafood paella outside on a paella cooker. This recipe works on your stove too. Like, subscribe, and click the bell. I'm Mika from mikastinykitchen.com. Ready? Here's what you need. I use Spanish bomba rice and high-quality fish stock. Link is in the description with the ingredients. My recipe includes clams, shrimp, squid, and Bay Scallops. Soak clams in salted water for 2 hours. Scrub the clams. Who wants to eat sand? Rinse the squid and cut into rings. Rinse scallops. Then completely peel 8 ounces of large shrimp. Reserve the shells. Devein under cold running water. Pat dry all the seafood. Pour 3 cups fish stock into a heated saucepan. When hot, add the shrimp shells and low simmer for 10 minutes. Strain and discard shells. Set aside. Cover to keep hot. Cut the tomato in half. Grate it on the hand grater cut side down. Correct the juices. There's a lot of flavor in the juice. Toast the skin. Grate half large yellow onion. Smash and mince 6 cloves of garlic. Mince the leaves of 3 or 4 sprigs of parsley for garnish. Bring your paella pan to medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons oil and sauté the scallops until partially cooked about 2 or 3 minutes. Season with salt. Add the shrimp and the squid. Sauté until partially cooked about 2 minutes more and set aside. Next, the sofrito. Add 2 tablespoons oil to the pan and sauté garlic and grated onions until lightly browned. Add grated tomato and cook until a thick darkened sofrito forms. Stir in half teaspoon smoked sweet paprika. Add 1 cup bomba rice. For paella, don't rinse the rice, mixing until all remaining liquid is absorbed. Season to taste with salt. Add 3 cups of the enriched hot broth. Set a timer. It's about 20 minutes to done. Distribute the rice evenly in the pan. This is the last time you stir the rice. Add a pinch of saffron. I rub mine briefly to release its flavor. As the rice swells and you begin to see it on the surface as shown here, add the clams, hinge side down so they can open uninhibited and release their liquor. When they begin to open, nestle the scallops, squid, and the shrimp down in between. Since it is a windy day, I cover the pan to retain heat until the clams open, and the seafood is finished cooking. This is not necessary if you are inside. In the last 60 to 90 seconds, bring the heat to high. This creates the delicious socarrat on the bottom. Be careful not to burn it though. Turn off the heat and remove. Next, cover it either with a paella cover or with aluminum foil and a towel for about 7 minutes. Then, ready to serve. Plate it, garnish it with parsley and a slice of lemon. So delicious! Look at the perfect socarrat, my favorite part. So many flavors, the richness of fresh seafood, the saffron, the hint of smokiness from the paprika. Your friends and the family will love it. Remember, you can cook it on your stove too. I hope you will try it soon. And thanks for watching my video.